Alright, today I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to your Toyota Prius. Alright, so right here I have Rain-X bug remover. This is just this particular brand windshield washer fluid. I'm going to be adding this to it. So the first thing you want to do is pop the hood. After you've opened this right here, and you have that cap open right here, busted that and used this before. And so now I'm just going to pop the hood. So I'm going to pop the hood. So first thing I'm going to do is come down here and find the hood lever, which is right here. And I'm just going to pull on it, hear the pop. Then I'm going to walk outside of the vehicle. I'm going to come to the front of the vehicle. And there's a safety latch under here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find it somewhere down here. I'm going to push it to the left, right here. This is what I pushed. Then I'm going to put out the kickstand or the hood stand, put that into place, and then I'm going to look for the windshield washer reservoir, which is right here on the left hand side. You see that right there? Windshield washer reservoir. I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to pour the fluid down in here. And you're going to pour it until it comes up to the top. Pour it slowly. Wear gloves, glasses. And so it comes up to right there. And there's, I think this is 11, I don't know what this is right here. It shows you how much is in there. Could have checked that, but filled it up. I'm going to go ahead and close the cap right there. Close the cap on this. And then that is how you add windshield washer remover to a Toyota Prius. Well, this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.